So ndĩrenda ũndarĩrie kuma haha nĩ arĩkũ magaikara haha ũguo arĩa igũrũ nĩ arĩkũ magakorwo ho.
So the casket will be here.
Haha ũguo.
Haha ũguo. So from a protocol perspective, immediate family that is Tash and the children and the father of the children magakorwo haha ũguo.
Oh, nĩo magaikara haha. Iti ici cia ready.
Ici cia ready. Ĩno row ya mbere nĩ ya organizing committee because they've been part of the journey and your mabangĩte igongona rĩrĩ. Haya, the first row ĩno nĩyo ndakuonia rĩ ya children and the immediate family. Haya, hapa we have the closest of friends.
Ahoguo.
Say kina Shiro, no amamenya acio Alois Kim, the best of friends.
Sorry. Just a minute. Tukarege. Nikabadilisha hii.
Imekuja mpaka hapa. But then you realize we have two families. So Kanyare and his closest people, maybe family yake, the mother, congregation yake, ni toto. Ishi teigere, these are the two best friends that she has.
Okay, that is
I'm being guided also, but we have two seats for the best friends.
Okay.
Higher. Then here we have the government, that is members of the National Assembly, members of the Senate, executive and all that. Hapa pote, yo laini. Then we have artists, musicians, artists and the like. Nona hari ogo thutha wa organizing committee. How ho then ha artists. Okaguoni. Tumesema hapa ni organizing committee. They are like, let's say they are like 30. So nyuma ya organizing committee artists. I know them magakoro hao.
Okay.
Yes. Then pale kwa viti za blue haha hodheri ni ha clergy.
The bishops, pastors,
archbishops, mudo the wena kola haha niho. This is actually being managed by the CFF church, but haha niho ha ashiothe. Kugakona muini ugoka ashereirwo tondu various reasons anaketi nyuma ya
muini uria goka ru ashereirwo
aikara thutha wa hujia.
Okay. Yeah. Muthenya wa rucihi no tuhe the program gokinya ne thaa cigana andu magathi mochari makambiriria makaingira thaa cigana.
So I'll give you what I have. I believe more information will be given by the committee. So for us, we intend to be here by 7:30. Program ya haifati kwa biadha igiri. So us and the team will be here before that. Viewing at the mortuary is before 7:30. So modoge koro enafata wa view akoro ku by maybe 7. Also because of time and no gatena kumahago wekinya haho. But that's the far I can give.
Yeah. So muthenya wa rucino gakorwo gibanga the order sitting arrangement. So modo akinya akamba gukorora. The team. Because the numbers are quite big. Airetu akwa gwiciria ni mumoe makona tukwo twa blue na tukofia twa gold. Ongekagia na haja yeyote ya washroom ya program ya mae, we are there to help you. Na no tutikoragwo na thimu rucio ni undu wa hai niko hapa nichukue. So tuhena ba thimu in case mudo na event.
Ongenda goto sharia on social media as Ashas Kenya. Eyo niro rito rito. Namba ya kabuni ni 0732265959. Namba yakwa ungikorwo ni urenda wira ni 0726874661.
Wow, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Guruta tonya mutoto leo. Ucoke wira-ini. Nyingira na kuthini. Aya, thank you so much. Gwiciria no akigo wega kuma kuri Ashas Kenya, acio nio muthenya wa rucio magakorwo hihi magikuonia hari wagaikara. Na mehaririria gwiciria ni urona no maragithie na mbere. Ni urona haha hari indo cirakithokoretwo wega gutigirira rucio ntumagarie muini Betty Bayo wega. Handu haha ora twerwo ni Ashas Kenya. Haha ni hagaikara the clergy, pastors, bishops, reverend, evangelists, othe magaikara haha uguo. Hari uguo aiko we muinia na ni wacererwo be ugaikara na haha uguo kuringana na uria twakirwo ni Ashas Kenya aria magakorwo ku muthenya wa rucio. Hari iti cikiri haha uguo ici nacio cigaikorwo ni the leaders, politicians aria magakorwo thiini wa gikaro giki, the MPs, governors magaikara haha ũguo na haha ũguo kũringana na information ĩno twakirwo ite ici igĩrĩ nĩ cia the best friend mũndũ gwĩtwo Betty Bayo. Ici igĩrĩ tũtiũĩ nĩ ya but haha nĩo magaikara marĩ erĩ, nacio the closest the family magaikara ici cikĩrĩ haha ũguo. Hena the organizing committee nĩo magaikara handũ haha ũguo, nĩ wega ndĩmuonie the organizing committee magaikara haha ũguo. Haha ite ici cia haha ũguo niho the organizing committee magaikara. Nao aini the artist magaikara haha ũguo. Ici nĩcio cia the artist. Andĩki a mohoro magaikara thĩ harĩa hau nĩho tũkarĩkĩrĩria, na twĩna mwĩhoko mũthenya wa rũciũ inyuothe eroreri aitũ Chuma Moto, Kuroria TV, Mombis, sisi wote tugakorwo thĩinĩ wa gĩikaro gũtigĩrĩra we mwĩroreri witũ mũthenya wa rũciũ maũndũ maku nĩ makĩagĩra. So tupatane kesho thĩinĩ wa mathiko ma mũini wa Betty Bayo, tumuhurukie wega na tumuhurukie na thayũ. Tupatane kesho masaa kuambia 6 nginya harĩa gũkarĩkĩrĩra. Bye bye, kesho mapema.